Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to check if your iPhone parts have been changed or repaired. So let's dive right in. Open your iPhone settings. Scroll down on your mobile phone screen until you find General and tap on it. At the top you can see the About option. Tap on it. If you want to check if your iPhone is original or a copy your serial number and go to any browser. Search for checkcoverage.apple.com and paste your serial number. This will show all the details about your iPhone, whether its parts are replaced or repaired. Step 2. Check via mobile. After this, look for the model number in the About section. If the first character of the serial number is M, then it means that your iPhone is in its original condition. If the first character of the serial number is N, then it means that your phone's parts have been changed. If the first character of the serial number is F, then it means that your phone has been totally refurbished. After this, check your iPhone battery health. For this purpose, go to the battery option and tap on it. If you want to check your phone more deeply, you can use the 3U software for further details. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.